Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install MongoDB 7.0 Community Server on macOS 14 Sonoma. First of all I am going to install Brew. Open web browser. Type here in Google search bar. Install Brew. Press enter. Click on first website link, brew.sh. Let's drop down little bit. Copy this Brew installation command. Go to Utilities. Let's double click on Terminal. Now Terminal is open. Let's close Utilities. Let's close web browser. Paste the copied Brew installation command. Press enter. Type here ROHIT Tech user password, then press enter. Press enter again. Now the Brew installation in process. Brew installation will take time. Now the Brew installation is completed. Type Brew. Update. Press enter. As you can see, Brew is already updated. Type Brew. Tap MongoDB / Brew. Press enter. Type clear to clear a screen. Type Brew. Install MongoDB Community at 7.0. Press enter. MongoDB Community Server 7.0 installation in process. Now the MongoDB installation is completed successfully. Type clear to clear a screen. Now this time to start MongoDB Community Server 7.0 services on Mac, type the following command. Type Brew services start MongoDB Community at 7.0. Press enter. Type MongoDB version. Press enter. Command is not found. Type MongoSH. Press enter. Now the MongoDB is connect. Now you can see MongoDB version 7.0.2. Type show DBS. Press enter. These are the default database in MongoDB. Let's close terminal. Click terminate. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install MongoDB Community Server 7.0 on macOS 14 Sonoma.